Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take your bundles using water dye from this to this. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, so for this video, we'll be using 3 bundles of our 613 blonde. We'll be using a 613 frontal. Hot boiling water. Adore semi-permanent color in the color Orange Blaze. Black gloves. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is shake up the dye. And I'm going to pour it into the bowl or squeeze it into the pot. And I'm going to squeeze the whole bottle into there. Then I'm going to take my dye brush and stir it. Make sure it stirs well. Well, not stirs well. Make sure it mixes well. Then I'm going to take a paper towel and test it to make sure this is the color that I want for my hair. Yeah, that's bright. That's right. That's the color I want. And then after you make sure it's the right color that you want, you're going to go ahead and take your bundles and dip them into the mixture. Just making sure that all of it gets equally on all the bundles. Since the water is boiling water, it's hot water, you may want to, well, it's best that you use your dye brush to evenly coat the color throughout all the bundles. Just try to mix that color into it, into the hair evenly. And one thing I meant to mention, when you do this watercolor dyeing with the bundles, you want to take the rubber band off, because what I noticed after I took them out of the water and rinsed them through, you can see a band of blonde still around the rubber band. So you want to make sure you take your rubber band off before you put it inside the mixture to dye it. Move a little closer. And also another thing, y'all, you could see on the side that I had 3 extra bottles that I used. I had to do this a couple of times because, as you can see, when I just lifted up that bundle, in the middle is still blonde. So what I did was I kept adding in more of that color so that it could equally be dispersed throughout all of the bundles. And even with my frontal, I had to add in another bundle because the water was so light after using it for just the 3 bundles that my frontal, it caused my frontal to look lighter. But you'll see that in a little bit. And here I am just still rubbing it through the bundles. And like I said, I noticed after using 1 bottle, when it took to once that 1 bottle takes to the bundles, it'll still be some blonde in the middle. So like I said, you want to make sure you have, I would say it's best to have at least 4 bottles of that. And right here, I'm just mixing in my frontal. And I still have my bundles in there. And this is the end result after I washed it out and rinsed it. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, be sure to watch the next video on how I take this hair and make a unit on the sewing machine.